going to day 18. Half day today because I've been trying to sort some other stuff out, so I've just turned up now. Well, I was here the first thing this morning to put the camera from up. The guys have obviously started cementing in some posts. Yeah, all of the holes they dug on Friday are now all posted and just spin around. So they've obviously got the fishing line, type of fishing line, and they've then dragged those lines out across, setting out everywhere, and concreting in the timber. $10,000 worth of timber. And this is their version, I assume, of the batter boards, as we call it, or batting boards. So I've just got to finish this side. Been hard at work, bless them. The clouds have suddenly disappeared and come out. This isn't one there, look. So they're all corner to corner, so we've got to just finish off this corner here by the looks of it. And this piece here, which looked like they were doing in the time. And here's the surveyor. Is that surveyor? I think that is a surveyor, yeah. So, just making sure we get everything marked out properly, and then the formwork, which is what the carpenter is here doing. I assume that's what he's here doing. Not too sure what he has been doing today, apart from cutting a bit of ban. And we do actually have cast iron stuck in there as well, which is a one-off. And runs under the tree, bless him. So let's go and see what the surveyor's got to say. Okay, so I've not been on the site for a great deal today, unfortunately, so let's try and register my car, which has taken up quite a bit of time. So I've just turned up the site now just to see what they've done. All of the actual posts have been laid, and it looks like they're doing the first concrete block of some sort. I'm not too sure what that is. But it looks like they're all done. So they're all concreted in. This is technically the middle of the house, I think. So three corners. Normally that is what they tie everything off from. So I'm assuming that's going to be the first stage of obviously getting the corners of the plot completely accurate. The surveyor was on site quite a lot today as well, so assuming he was up to something today with regards to just making sure the guys have got what they need in the right places. Let's have a quick look on the floor. Oh. Yeah, so all of the actual the strings they had laid out to try and make sure everything's right, they're all taken up as well. They seem a bit wide apart though in order to be the main pieces. The batter boards, they call it. I assume that's what they're going to use. That's obviously what they're going to tile from. And then obviously you've got the formwork piles over there. They learn that coming in. But I think what they're going to do is, obviously it's a very big slab, as you can see. It's a big slab. So the wood here is very expensive. Wood's expensive everywhere in the world. But at the moment, I think it was around about 12 to 13,000 Bayesian for the actual wood. But I think that's enough wood to do half. So he did say, do you want to pour in one and spend another 13,000 on wood? Instead of I'll stick a fork on the eye. So it looks like we're probably going to do half, let that set, and then do another half. So this is the actual half that they've done. So I'm not too sure what the method behind the madness is there, but that is technically it's on all four corners. But that's the first block they've done, wood in block. So they're all very similar. We've got these as well, so I'm not too sure what they are. But again, I wasn't around today to actually see what happened, so I'm not too sure what all this actually is. So anyway, I'll certainly be on site all day tomorrow, so I can find out what's going on and start pushing. I think the main aim at the moment is to try and get the carpenter finishing off tomorrow. And I think then they're going to talk about getting the rebar, which is the steel cages, starting to get them manufactured on site as of Wednesday. So we need to get the steel ordered, and then we're aiming to have that done and laid so we can start pouring concrete on Monday. That's the aim. So as always, plenty to do, nicer weather. Hopefully I could be on site all day tomorrow, so more updates as we come.